Welcome back, friend! I hope you're ready to change sounds in words like Alien showed you. According to our map, our next sound quest is all about changing the first sound in a word. Remember how we changed the syllables in words before? We took one syllable away and then added a different syllable to create a new word. Today, we're going to use the same idea, but with the sounds in words instead. And guess what? A mystery sound box landed on our ship. It's filled with special counters that will help us change sounds and create new words. Make sure you have your counters ready, and let's begin. Let's start with the word cat. First, place a sound onto each counter. K, a, t. To change the first sound in a word, we start by taking away the first counter. Take away k. That leaves a, t. But we aren't done. We need to pull a sound from our mystery box to replace the sound k. Great! Add that right here at the beginning. Now we have a, t, hat. By changing k to h, the word cat transforms to hat. Looking stylish in that hat, Alien! Next up, 10. Put one sound onto each counter. T, e, n. Now take away the first sound t. What's left over? E, n. Right. We still need to add our new sound to the beginning of the word. P. What sound is this first counter? P. This middle counter? E. This last one? N. Put them all together. P, e, n. Pen. 10. Change t to p. Makes pen. No, Alien, a pen is for writing, not pointing. Oh, good idea, Alien. Let's check out the map. Each time we change the first sound in a word, we move one space closer to the end of our game and Mia's magic wand. Let's keep going. The word is fox. Place one sound on each counter. F, a, x. Great! Now take that first counter away and replace it with this new sound. B. Put the sounds together. B, a, x. Fox, change f to b. Gives us box. Alien is inside the box. Next, try rug. Put one sound on each counter. R, g. Now take away the first sound, r, and put the sound in its place. Put the sounds together. G. Rug, change r to and we have mug. Aw, the mug says Galaxy's greatest friend. How cute! Our rocket has gotten far on our map, but now it's your turn to take charge and get us to the end of this section. You've got this. The word is sit. Place one sound onto each counter. Next, change the first sound s by taking that counter away and replacing it with the sound n. What word do you have now? Sit, change s to n, makes knit. There's one more word, week. Go ahead and place one sound on each counter. Great! Pause here to change the first sound, w, to o. Week, change w to o, makes leak. Uh-oh, I hope the rocket ship doesn't have a leak. We already fixed it once. Phew, no leaks here. Changing the first sounds in words brought us to the end of this section of the game. Well done, friend. Alien is using his new pen to work on the PDF. Why don't you check out the PDF and online practice too? And the next time we're together, we'll use our special sound changing skills to change the last sounds in words. We'll be intergalactic sound changing masters in no time. Until then, remember to always be clever.
Hey, hey!